These out-of-town drivers, goodness gracious. We got Trevor behind the wheel here, trying out the new steering wheel. Yeah, the last time you came, we didn't have the mid-pipe on. It wasn't like tuned, like fun or anything.
We couldn't
like
do
that.
the two-step or nothing?
No, none of that.
It was slow.
Now we've got the new one-piece, the new shifter, different steering wheel. So it's a whole new experience for Trevor.
Yep, we got some extra weight in the back.
Yeah. We are making a summit run, need more parts for the Z, and we need to show Adam what Summit's all about. It's big. It's big. It's Texas-sized parts store, so it's gonna be good. And we'll let Trevor give the Mustang a rip. What's that?
Make me want a 5.0.
Yeah.
Instead of that damn EcoBoost.
And a 6-speed. So you can go to county or prison.
Get on the thing?
Yep, get on the thing. God, it's a beautiful day.
Where's VTEC kicking in?
Oh, about 5,500 RPMs. It's not Trevor, right? It's just the car.
What? Yeah.
Makes you drive like a jerk in a Mustang.
Oh yeah.
What's pretty cool is that we're all Mustang owners in this car. Trevor's got EcoBoost Drift Stang, Adam's got GT350, and then of course, the baby, Mustang. We made it to Summit. I think Adam's pretty impressed with it.
I haven't really gotten to see it much yet.
We're going inside, but this Cobra's right here, and it's hard to tell, but his license plate frame is pretty interesting. It says Brazzers.
Oh, he's in there.
He is in there. Back at it today, you can see everything that we pulled off yesterday. Front suspension, exhaust. So the Wisefab's on up front. The new ISR single tip sounds great. We've got to put Hydro E in it, do some alignment, and a seat. And then I think they're ready to go take it for a rip. So starting late in the day, fingers crossed we can get everything going. It's like 4 o'clock right now, so we got to get going.
Just pulling in a Whataburger, and we're gonna attempt to get a cheeseburger, but it looks like someone got shot in the parking lot.
Looks like they just kicked all the people out.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, we're not taking orders at this time.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody totally got shot.
Somebody totally got shot.
Ugh.
Day number 3 back at the shop. Yesterday was kind of a grind day, just like get here and work, so didn't film a whole lot. Today we were trying to wrap everything up so we can go test this thing, or Trevor and Adam can go test it. But it's looking good. Trying to dial in some of the suspension stuff. There's some.
You could like see the back, and you're like,
Yeah.
holy crap! Look at that toe.
It's crazy. See if I can show you guys. But the toe on that rear is just insane. Yeah, they can totally see that. So we're trying to figure that one out. I think some wrong parts, or some parts didn't come in that we needed in time. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can get that towed out just a little bit more. And other than that, hydro's in, right?
Yep,
oil
hydro's
change
in.
done. Exhaust is on. Just tweak the suspension.
It still runs?
Did you plug the battery back in? You need to put the thing on?
You checked the oil?
Yeah, True checked it.
You confirmed?
True confirmed it. I don't want to be responsible for any of that.
Confirmed there's oil?
There's definitely oil in there. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good.
Went that way.
Yeah. Nice. We finally made it out to the track. Truck didn't have to do any work today. Another guy actually towed the trailer. I just had to bring Adam and Trevor out. So So we're here, Wisefab's on. Car's looking good, got it all buttoned up, so I think now they're gonna go send it and test it, so looking forward to it. Now Trevor's telling me that I need to get a Z to go with the truck so that we can go drifting with it. I think that'd be a sweet combo. Look pretty good. I really do like the way these RPF ones look with the color combo. Reminds me of my Mustang. And I'm impressed, guys. There's some actual Mustangs out here. Like this little vert was out there getting it earlier. And I just saw an S550 drive by, which was super clean. I'll have to see if he's gonna go out on track. But this guy was shredding for sure. I like it, it's all caged. Looks like it got some nice seats inside of it. It has been a crazy couple of days, man. Last night we went to bed at 7. Well, we left the shop at 7. Got home at 7:30. Went to bed at 8:30. Woke up at 11:30. 11? Yeah. And then I woke the homies up at 11:30, and we hit the road. And then that's when you saw us get to the shop earlier today. And now we're out here at Mineral Wells. There was a little local like drift testing event day, and it's supposed to end at 5. We got out here at 4:45, and the guy was nice enough to let the guys take the car out and test it some. And I think they're about to start wrapping up here, but it's been good. They're getting a lot of laps in, and it's looking solid, so I think they're excited about it.
You ready?
There's the man. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah,
let's go.
I'm going for a ride. Let's do it. Like the Sikky setup.
It feels great.
Yeah.
Super sturdy.
gets wet and dry and wet and dry.
Yeah, once you do it enough, like you kind of know all the points. So
Yeah, that's good. Solid.
So easy for a 360.
That was perfect. It's so beautiful. Beautiful Texas sunsets.
I would love to try like a 360-degree entry or something. There's no real good place to do it though. Backwards entry by you. That's fun.
As you guys know, anytime we have a special guest at the house, we like to invite them into the garage to sign the fender. Trevor's done it once. Now that Adam's here and our trip is coming to an end, or their trip's coming to an end, I'm gonna have him sign it. So you get to choose, man. Gold, silver?
I want to be silver like Trevor.
Okay, be silver like Trevor.
Sweet.
Just don't sign over mine.
Can I sign right next to it with a little heart?
You can sign anywhere you want to sign.
Sign right next to it. So what's the story behind this fender?
So I was jacking up my car and the jack stand, it fell off the jack stand and dented the fender, and I didn't get it fixed. I just replaced it myself. And so I figured.
Did you just get another one in the same color? Or did you have it painted?
I had it painted.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah, thanks.
Ben painted.
That's nice.
Yeah, it looks like a really nice fender. I mean, if that went on Aaron's Mustang, it would be clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wouldn't be complaining.
No.
So I figured we'd hang it up, make something cool out of it, and
Yeah, that's sick.
anytime anybody comes to town, we can have them sign stuff.
That's what I want to do with my old hood for my S13, but I just have too much stuff and I never actually hang it because it's hard.
Yeah, I just did a piece of like aluminum,
Mm-hmm.
just bolted it up.
Yeah,
to
let's
it,
do
so.
it.
Yeah. Well, cool, man. Thanks for coming to town again, guys.
Thank you for having us here for sure.
Yeah, safe flight in the morning.
Again.
Cool.
See if the Uber doesn't take us away.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can't get the Uber, just borrow the Mustang,
Yeah, right. Sweet.
and you'll be good to go.
Sounds good.
Think you'll valet it?
For sure.
Alright.
Push the start. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the next day. Trevor and Adam are gone. It was great having them here, but I have one last piece of business to take care of, and this is for a longtime subscriber of mine. He's a good dude. He's always on the channel commenting, liking, and sharing stuff, so I appreciate you. This is for his wife, Allie. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday, Allie. I hope it's a great day. Blessings to you and your family. And that's going to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been Sean or Mustang09. Make sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment if you got some questions about anything you've seen in the videos. And always hit that subscribe button. New content coming your way on the regular. Look forward to seeing you guys back here. Take it easy.